About today are the electrical junction box located on each side of the engine. You'll have one of these boxes with attached to it a 100-foot cord on a reel. That reel actually can rewind itself when the PTO, the generator, is on by pushing the button, and we'll go over that. All right, so you'll look at the box here. You'll notice that it's got the twist lock plug-in and it's got a household electrical plug-in, and each of the boxes are identical, so the other box would be the same way. What's nice about these is you'll see they have the twist lock to them, and what that does is that keeps the cords from pulling away when you are to pick this up on a scene and walk away with it. Remind yourself that when you are pulling the cord off the reel that you're going to have to pull some off and walk with it that way because it is kind of tight. As you can tell, it's on now because it's lighted up. And with that, I'm going to show you a couple things that require. The light here requires that it's plugged in. It does not have a battery operated to it. You'll see the fan here. It will run for about 30 minutes. After the run time, you have the ability to plug it in so that way it could run longer. You'll also see that the Hurst tools are battery operated. We're lucky enough that we have the plug-ins for those. So if that was to happen to run out of battery and we run out of batteries altogether, then you'll just take that off and you'll plug this in, and then you can plug it directly into the box itself, the junction box, or you can use the extension cord to use that also to get extra reach. So what we'll do, just so you can see what I'm talking about, we'll plug in a couple things, and you'll see it's a nice twist. It's got that rubber piece on there. That's to kind of protect it. And then you'll just come on over here, and you'll see that it's able to work. Again, the same thing goes with the fan and the light. Now, if you were to happen to run where you couldn't get any of this stuff to the scene, you can always go to the Honda generator and plug the light box directly into that. So if you don't have enough reach with the cords to the scene, you can actually grab the Honda generator, and that you'll take the cords that are supplied for it to plug it in. You'll see that's just a regular outlet. Then you're going to take the locking. If you'll notice, these are two smaller ones. The small one and the big one, of course, won't join together. So then you have to get the adapter, which is this piece here, and then again, lock them together. Twist and lock, so that way they stay together. And then you'll just turn this on, and then you'll see you'll have power to this junction box. As I was talking about earlier, you have the cord reel rewind here. You'll see there's a button. Take it kind of slow, and as you're putting it away, make sure you take the time to see that it's clean and that it's evenly dispersed inside the reel itself. And remember, there's 100 foot of cord on each side. When we are running the generator to PTO, you have the ability to turn it on and off here. It's just swiping your finger. Again, if this is not on, you will not get the electric that you need for the junction boxes. And remember, your RPM over 1,000, the pump has first control over everything.